Alright, good morning, you guys. So today I'm going to be heading back down to Mexico, but today we're going to be going with some supercars. I'm not too sure what cars are going today, but you guys will see in the video. But if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Christian. I do car videos and I do a lot of food videos. The food videos are literally at the end of each video. So if you guys have any suggestions on like where me and my friends can go eat, please like comment it down below and let me know where I should go eat. But today should be a good day. Like I'm gonna be on like every Friday, like down in Mexico. There's like a small get together or like a car meet or cars and coffee type of thing. I know there's like a lot of. I went like a couple weeks ago. There was like a lot of. What were there? A lot of classic Porsches, a lot of like JDM cars. I mean, I guess it was an array of stuff. A lot of supercars. And I mean, my favorite is like the Porsche, obviously. But I wonder what cars are gonna be there today. Like, I hope I see the GT3 or the RS. Those are like my favorite cars. I hope to own it one day. But yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, okay, nice. Yeah.
Okay, so I just got In-N-Out. I got In-N-Out for me and my dog. If you know me, like, I love In-N-Out. It's one of my favorite places to go. So overall, it was a pretty good trip to Mexico, but I feel bad for, like, that car that caught on fire. There's, like, a small, brief period that I recorded it. But yeah, the car caught on fire, and then it was kind of scary. I never really seen it. And then, like, because down in Mexico, there's a lot of dry debris, I guess, or a lot of bushes over there. And then I hope it didn't get, like, towards the bushes or whatever. But there was we saw a lot of like police cars going there, and then we saw some fire trucks going there. But it was a good day. Like, I saw the GT3 and the GT3 RS that you guys already saw. It was racing, and surprisingly, I mean, I don't know how good of an audio clip it was of them, like when I was behind them recording, but like the car was like shaking me. It was pretty cool. But I mean, I hope to own the GT3 one day. I don't know how I would modify it, but I have an idea of how I would want to modify it. Probably like the same way that TJ Hunt did his. But yeah, overall good day. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one.